Hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein doing a sneak peek at 6421 Barrasco Drive here in Viera, Florida. We are at unit 2201 and I'm not showing you the whole unit today. I'm just going to give you a quick look at this gorgeous kitchen. You know why I'm not showing you the whole thing? Because I want you to call me, Margaret Klein, at 321-480-7662 and say, Margaret, I want to see the entire unit. I want to see all 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. I want to see the amazing community pool. I want to see everything there is to see at that condo. And if I show you the whole thing here, you may not call me, and I want you to call. So if you are already working with another agent, you can certainly call them and they would be glad to get you in here as well. But this is the amazing kitchen at 6421 Barrasco Drive here in Viera, Florida. We've got this gorgeous Samsung refrigerator. We've got a microwave. We've got the stove. We've got a dishwasher. We've got a nice deep kitchen sink. And I'll just throw in a little bonus. We do have an inside laundry room with cabinets above it. So doesn't this look amazing, folks? Let's make sure we hit that subscribe button so you get lots more videos coming your way, along with some tips and tricks for buying or selling your next home. And do not forget, you want to see the rest of this one, 6421 Barrasco Drive here in Viera, Florida, which is in Melbourne. We are at unit 2201. Make sure you jot down my number, 321-480-7662. And I hope to talk to you soon. Margaret Klein signing off here again in Viera, Florida.